Grabe siya, girl. What the?
Excuse my face. I woke up at like 5 a.m. with contractions, and they haven't been really like close enough together to go to the hospital, but they've been really painful. But I'm waiting until it gets closer together, and then I'll go. Other than that, I'm dilated. Just waiting for my contractions to come together. But yeah. So I decided to make some ube milk tea because I've seen a couple posts. On TikTok. I think it's from Trader Joe's. I don't know. It looks really light, and like I think I tasted it once before. That was like a while back though. Probably like a few months back, but it's really light. You can't really taste the ube. It's more like sweet more than anything, and it looks like it was just food coloring. Honestly, you couldn't really taste the ube. And then the one that my sister made, it's like really, really thick. She does use whatchamacallit, like the real ube, like it's all grated and everything. That's why the purple color is so strong, and it's really, really thick. And then when you put the spread on or the jam on toast, you could like literally taste it like straight up ube, and it's not too sweet. You could really tell that it was homemade and everything. It's really good, and it's not too sweet. That's why I added some vanilla syrup in mine, because I like mine just a little sweeter. The ice and the milk kind of breaks it down, so that's why I added some. But I did learn how to do this through TikTok. It's not too hard. It's just, you know, the jam. So what I did with mine is I heated it up for like 20 seconds because it was really thick, and I put it in the fridge so it lasts longer. So I heated it up for about 20 seconds. I added a little bit of the vanilla syrup, stirred it around. You know, I decorated my cup, and then I put the rest at the bottom, and then I just added the ice and then some milk. And Aria, she loves ube. She does eat toast for breakfast. She usually just do, you know, butter and peanut butter, but that kind of got old and boring, so we tried ube, and she likes it. And then this one time, I left the spoon like right next to her because I forgot to put it away in the sink, and it had ube jam in it. She just took it, she started licking it, and then I didn't even notice until I looked at her, and like her whole face, not her whole face, but like around her mouth and everything was just purple. I forgot to take a picture, but I should have. But yeah, it's really good. It's VANEE Sweets 907 on Instagram. I will put a link down below. If not, I'll just add her tag here somewhere. So y'all, and actually, she sent us more stuff, but like we forgot to take pictures or videos because we were so excited and we just ended up eating it all. But she does make crinkles. I'll attach photos here in a second. Crinkles, brownies. Her brownies lasted a little bit because I hid it from Aria. This girl, I don't know how, but she just finds a way to find my stash because I have them in like a Tupperware. Actually, I think I have some more. So I have one in the room in a Tupperware. And then these are the ones that she sent us. It's the ones that I pre-ordered. They're still really good. They're still really soft. It's been about, what, a couple days. But they're really soft. So this one came with white chocolate. They're not nuts. She is allergic to peanuts, so she can't, you know, bake anything with nuts anyways. So, but they are white chocolate, and they're really good. Look at that. And she does make them homemade. Like I mentioned, she does use real ube. She grates them and everything. Not just the powder that people use, you know, the instant kinds. So good. There you go. So, brownies, crinkles, which we already ate all of them. They weren't sweet. I've had crinkles before at the Asian store. Some other lady makes them and she sells them at the Asian store. They're not that great. Because you know how crinkles are supposed to be like soft, but like kind of crunchy and like it still tastes like ube. But hers kind of tastes like straight up just sugar. Almost like sugar cookies. Like, yeah, they look like crinkles, but they didn't taste like ube. And they were just like, I don't know, after like a few days, after a couple of days that I've had it, the ones from the store, they got hard. I don't know why. Like, what the heck? And then my sister's, she sent us a box about a week ago, if not just a little less than a week ago. When I ordered, they're still soft. Too bad I can't show you because I already ate them all. Anyways, they're soft. They taste like ube, and they're not overly sweet like others. Like, you know how when you buy like desserts and stuff, like from the Filipino store, it's just like straight up sugar. It didn't taste like that. But it got. Anyways, really good. Let's see. She does make other things too. She makes a lot of stuff. But you basically just message her, inquire about what else she makes, and then, or ask her if you want something specific. Just show her a picture or the name of whatever it is, and then she'll make it for you. And she's not very expensive either, and she gets things done pretty quick. So there's that.